Hello everyone, today in this video I am going to show you how to extract text from image in Google Drive. Let's start. First, log into your Gmail account and then on top right corner click on Google Apps and then click on Google Drive. Now to add an image, just click on plus new icon which is on the top left corner and then select file upload. And then select image from which you want to extract text and then click open. Now image has been uploaded to my Google Drive. Now press right click on that image and then select open with and then select Google Docs. Now here you can see that it has automatically converted into text. On top, uploaded image is copied and below text is extracted from that image. Now you can copy this text into Word document or some other document. So that's how text can be extracted from an image. I hope you like this video. Hit subscribe button